I think the best thing about this job is the amount of unique problems that we see day in and day out. Every customer is unique, so it's getting to solve new problems all the time. It never gets boring. It's always something that is a new challenge for us to solve, and we like that sort of thing here. Hardest thing for packaging liquid is, transporting it after the fact. Flexibles provide a unique opportunity to efficiently transport liquid. Rigid packaging tends to have some fallbacks of maybe being more costly. It's easier to damage, and it's hard to make a shape that you can transport without actually shipping air. Nobody wants to ship air across the country. We know that, so flexibles can be packaged more efficiently, and our system does a really good job of removing that excess air from the package so that everything going into the case, tote, whatever it may be, it's product, not air. So the XTLF comes equipped with most of the features you'll see on our 3A USDA compatible equipment. This is polished welds, stainless steel guarding, IP69K motors, IP69 sensors, and other electronics. We build it so that it's as sanitary as possible. We don't necessarily know that every liquid application will need that, but it's standard on the machine. So the machine is very open. The XT platform or XYT platform that we base this design on has a lot of our features that come with all Triangle machines. So that pivoting control cabinet where you can get into where the pneumatics are and all of the parts of the machine that would normally be inaccessible with the control cabinet. We pivot that so it's easy to clean and access for maintenance. Additionally, the XT, you can stand inside of the frame, so it's easy to get inside, wash in all the nooks and crannies. It makes it very, very easy to maintain as well as keep sanitary. I think our history of building sanitary equipment for the poultry industry, other USDA regulated industries, lends itself well to that design. We made our equipment to be able to run any type of film that's compatible on any other liquid filling system. We have a few specifications that we like to walk through with customers, but by and large, they can bring in the film from wherever they want, and we can run it. That gives them the flexibility to shift suppliers if they need to. Nobody really likes to be locked into a contract in any case, but one of the big ones that we've seen lately that I don't think you hear about as much is what happens if there are supply chain issues with that contract supplier. So if you are running one film that you have to get from one source, if that source has any kind of issues, you're out of luck. So that flexibility of being able to run different types of films goes a long way, but I mean, the other aspect is just the cost of it. Being able to source your film from somewhere else is going to reduce cost. We do offer ultrasonic sealing options, which further eliminates the amount of film used per bag. So you have extra film savings in that case. We can run narrower back seals, so you can make the film narrower. There's lots of reasons. So we've seen a lot in 100 years. The staff we have here, a lot of them are veterans of the industry. We know everything there is to know about making a good bag. This is just a new chapter for us, shifting into the liquid space. So we know the right place to look for the right sensors, the right motors, sanitary equipment we know really well. It just sets us up to be successful in the space and know what our customers are going to come to us with, those questions they're going to ask. We can be ready for them. I think that built in USA stamp, it demonstrates quality, and everyone that works here at Triangle cares about the product that we make, and I think it shows in the finished product. Our machines, by comparison to some of our competitors, we tend to overbuild a little bit, but that's because we want to make something that's there to last. We're also expanding over the next year or so. We're really pushing into creating upgrade paths for our machines. Because we build a frame that is so robust, we want to give them a platform to build on for years to come. So them being able to come into our facility, see the equipment that we have, and what we can do with it is always going to help them, feel better about their buying decision. But then after that sale happens, as robust as you can make a machine, things fail. Parts are going to wear out. There's going to be those complications in keeping your factory up and running. And us being so close by, us having technicians spread across the United States, it's always going to set us up to support them better. We've got a huge stockroom here where we keep all the parts ready to go. Everything we manufacture or purchase, it's ready to ship out to them overnight.